Welcome back now to Primetime Sports Monday. Now some football. Well, we start off with some news about the National Stadium actually, as the restart of certain sporting events at the National Stadium may face a further setback as the complex is currently without electricity. General Manager of Independence Park Limited, operators of the National Stadium, Major Desmond Brown, says the complex has been without electricity for over a month now. He told the TVJ Sports today that 2 transformers were burnt out after a power outage in June. Major Brown added that the cost to replace the damaged equipment is over 15 million Jamaican dollars, but the Jamaica Public Service has declined to assist in footing the bill. He says he is looking to get support from the Ministry of Finance to repair the transformers.
Because we were hoping that JPS would have accepted responsibility and replaced them. But they haven't, so I am in consultation with my permanent secretary to see how we can get those funds with the Ministry of Finance to see if they can find some funds also. In the meantime, it's being investigated for us to the repairs. We're going to the OUR to make a claim because we believe strongly that we had light was running with a power cut, and when the power came back, we had no power. So we checked the transformers were burnt out.
Meanwhile, Major Brown is hoping to bring back events to Independence Park Limited within the next 3 months.
Possibly events in a couple of weeks' time, which we're telling them doing, but I think about that. But we're working with TLC for October, so we have to get the park